Joining a family-owned business as a professional can offer unique opportunities and challenges. To navigate this transition successfully and maintain professionalism while contributing to the business's success, consider the following primary considerations and strategies. Understanding the business dynamics, familiarize yourself with the family business's history, culture, values, and dynamics. Gain insights into the family's vision, goals, and expectations for the business to align your efforts accordingly. Assessing fit and alignment, evaluate your professional goals, values, and long-term objectives to ensure they align with the family business's vision and direction. Consider how much your expertise, skills, and experience complement the business's needs and opportunities. Building relationships, proactively build relationships with family members, non-family employees, and key stakeholders within the business. Show genuine interest, respect, and appreciation for the family's legacy and all individuals' contributions. Maintaining professionalism, uphold a high standard of professionalism in all aspects of your work, including communication, appearance, and behavior. Avoid engaging in office politics or favoritism and maintain confidentiality when necessary. Contributing value and expertise, demonstrate the value you bring to the business by leveraging your expertise, skills, and experience. Seek opportunities to share your insights, ideas, and recommendations that can contribute to the business's growth and success. Adapting to the family culture, understand and adapt to the family's communication style, decision-making processes, and approach to business relationships. Show flexibility and willingness to work within the family's established practices while also bringing fresh perspectives and ideas. Continuous learning and development, stay abreast of industry trends, best practices, and emerging technologies in your field of expertise. Seek professional development and growth opportunities through conferences, workshops, and training programs. Open and transparent communication, foster open and transparent communication with family members, non-family employees, and stakeholders. Clearly articulate your thoughts, ideas, and concerns while actively listening to others' perspectives. Balancing family and professional relationships, maintain a healthy balance between professional and personal relationships within the family business. Establish boundaries and set clear expectations for work-related interactions to preserve both familial harmony and professional effectiveness. Seeking external support, consider seeking advice from external consultants, coaches, or mentors with experience in family-owned businesses. They can provide objective insights, guidance, and support to help navigate challenges and ensure professional success. Remember, each family-owned business is unique, and success in such an environment requires a combination of business acumen, adaptability, emotional intelligence, and a commitment to professional growth. By understanding the dynamics, maintaining professionalism, contributing value, and adapting to the family culture, professionals can thrive and make meaningful contributions within a family-owned business setting.